Hey guys, and good morning. Just starting the day. I am gonna do some skincare. Gonna be using Neutrogena and these deep bronzy drops. Busy day. I have work and I have to start very soon because I'm running a little bit late, but gonna be a good day. I think I have a lot of like administrative tasks I need to get done, and then I have a few meetings, just some like kind of routine, boring tasks that I need to do, but it'll be good. I also need to run some errands, so we'll be doing that. But I slept pretty well last night for like, which is typical for me, I would say. Anyway, gonna wash my hands and get started with the day. Also, my sister told me yesterday that the audio on my videos is really bad, and I was hoping I wouldn't hear that, but I have, and because I think I'd known it was kind of bad. It sounds okay to me when I'm like editing and things, but this room is really echoey. I've been filming a lot in here because the light's good in here. In my house, I feel like the lighting is not great for recording in most places, so I've been depending on this room a lot, but it is echoey. I do have some mics coming too, so hopefully that helps with the audio. But yeah, that's what's up. Gonna head out. I decided I'm going to go run this errand first before I start my work. I feel a little bit of a mental block today, which isn't great, but it is what it is. So I'm gonna go try to do something else and then go sit at my desk. Mondays are usually a little bit slower, so I feel like I do have this time to go and run an errand, and then I'll just work a little bit later today. But yeah, let's head out. Just at the park right now. Decided to go on a little walk with Humpty Dumpty, and he decided to roll around in the dirt, which is great. He's getting a bath later for sure. But I just brought a little book with me, Carl Sagan's Contact, and I'm really enjoying it. I'm about an eighth of the way in. I was reading it on my phone before, but I found that I wasn't able to like focus on it. I was constantly like on TikTok or whatever. So I decided to get a hard copy version, and really enjoying it. But yeah, just decided to come out on a little walk and spend some time outside. After work, I was kind of like, I just wanted to sit on the couch and vibe and chill out, but thought this might be better for my brain to just to go out and get some fresh air and some pollen for sure. Allergies are kicking up. But anyway, that's what's up. I play back when it's over, I am just finishing working right now. It's about 5:06, and Humpty wanted to sit on my lap. But I'm traveling tomorrow. I'm going to San Francisco for a work thing, and my place is a mess. So I'm going to clean, just do some basic chores around the house, I guess. Again, the kitchen's a mess. I have so much laundry to put away. I have to start packing. I will hopefully have a I will hopefully have a Fashion Pass delivery coming soon, so I will do a little try-on haul for you guys. But that's what's up. It's been kind of a long work day. I did work outside for a little bit, which was really nice, but yeah, it kind of feels like a Friday because I am traveling tomorrow. I play back when it's over, back when it's over, back when it's over. I want back when it's back when it's over. The way you touch my shoulder. I'm just packing, but I did receive my Fashion Pass order. This is the Farm Rio dress in extra small. It's pretty short, even for me, in my opinion. And pretty, like, it fits me really well, but almost tight, almost. But yeah, it's perfect. I'm gonna bring it to San Francisco with me. I think it's so cute. We love. Hey guys, and good morning. I am getting ready, packing for San Francisco. My place is a mess. I I'm doing laundry so that we can have fresh sheets when we get back. I just did like a fashion pass haul, so if you're into fashion, you can watch a vertical video on TikTok, or I'll probably post it on shorts too. But yeah, just stacking all the clothes I'm bringing. I'm bringing a lot of fashion pass things. Usually like one or two of my items in a fashion pass like shipment don't work, but all of these worked for me. I have rented three of these things before though. But yeah, just gonna pack. I do have some work I need to do as well, so going to be doing that. But I have a few hours before we go to the airport. First, I have to drop off Humpty at my ex-husband's house because he's gonna be dog sitting for us, and then we're gonna go to Dulles, which is like the farthest airport to us. But yeah, so we're gonna get into San Francisco late tonight, and I'll bring you guys with me. But yeah, probably won't be a lot of videos today because of what I'm doing. I feel like it's pretty boring. But yeah, that's what's going on. Hopefully this sounds okay. I'm recording with a new mic. I don't know. We'll see what happens. Hey guys, just got in my car. I am headed to Whole Foods. I have a really busy day today. I have like work, and then I have friends coming over tonight. Gotta cook for them. So I'm going to Whole Foods right now to pick up some groceries. Just a few things, but yeah, that's what's up. Also, I realize I look naked, but I am wearing a tube top. I play back when it's over, the back. Just got back from Whole Foods. Do a quick little haul. Get some broccoli, times 2. Some garlic bread. I love their garlic bread. Milks, just regular milk, and oat milk for my matcha lattes. And then I got 2 of these, but I drank one of them. And then here's the cake. Congrats, grad. Very cute. And then I got like a hot plate meal with like curry, rice, chicken, potato samosas. So I'm actually gonna eat that because I think I'm pretty hungry right now actually. But yeah, gotta go to work. Good morning guys, it's another day. Just woke up a little while ago. It's Saturday, so hopefully gonna have a good weekend. Been working a lot lately. We're gonna go to La Coop, a coffee shop that's around where I live. I haven't been there before, but it'll be nice to try something different. I'll just bring you with me. And then I think we're just gonna hang around the house, maybe clean out the hot tub, I'm not sure. And then I think we're going to our friends for dinner tonight. And yeah, and then tomorrow we're trying a new restaurant in Georgetown, which I'm really excited about. I think it's by the owners of Bresca, and I forget what other restaurant that owner owns in DC, but I'm excited to try it, so yeah. Can you just slow down, just wait, because I wanna see your doing stuff around the house. Cleaning the hot tub. It's a process. We ended the day at our friend's pool with the barbecue before Sunday. We did dinner on Sunday, just a little date night at a new restaurant called the Ox and Olive. It's owned by the chef of Bresca and Jaunton, DC, 2 other restaurants we love. But yeah, they brought around cuts of steak and then you picked which one you wanted. Everything was delicious, including this mini beef brisket hot dog, this like beef ham salad, and then there's the chef. We had the chef's table. This was a piece of fish. I didn't really love it, but something really cool is they brought around steak knives for you to pick. They had the coolest knives.
star of the show was these onion rings, and then of course the steak, the mashed potatoes, all of it. But yeah, that's it for this video. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys soon.